college and brought one of them newfangled bicycle machines home with him. Well, I think ever since that time, the whole town of Pumpkin Center has got the bicycle fever. Old Deacon Witherspoon is riding a bicycle to Sunday school, and old Jim Lawson, he couldn't ride one of them because he's got a wooden leg, but he allowed if he could get it hitched up to the mowing machine, he could cut more hay with it than any man in Pumpkin Center. Somebody told me Cy Pettingill was trying to pick apples with a bicycle. Well, all of our boys and girls are riding bicycles now, and nothing will do them, but I must learn how to ride one of them. Well, now, I didn't think very favorably on it, but in order to keep peace in the family, I told him I would learn. Well, I wish you'd have been there when I commenced. I took that machine by the horns and I let it out in the middle of the road, and I got on it sort of unconcerned like, and then I got off sort of unconcerned like. I went up in the air and come down all over that bicycle. I fell on top of it, I fell under it, I fell on both sides of it, I fell between the wheels, I fell in front of the front wheel and behind the hind wheel at the same time. Don't know how I ever done it, but I did. Well, I run my foot through the smoke, put about 150 punctures in a head fence, and steered a horse and buggy clear off the highway. Well, sir, I lost the lamp, I lost the clamps, I lost my patience, I lost my temper, I lost my self-respect, I broke the handlebars, I broke the sprockets, I broke the 10 Commandments, and the ordinance again loud and abusive language. Well, I'm through with it. Once is enough for me. You can all ride your bicycles at want to, but for my part, I just soon stand up and walk as to sit down and walk. The more bicycles where your Uncle Josh not even knows it, that your Uncle Josh calculates is how he do.